If you want to see how I got this look with these clip-ins from Curlsqueen, just keep on watching. I did do 2 installs. I think next time I would leave a little bit more out, especially on the top, just because I did have some issues with blending. Wasn't satisfied with the first install, so I ran it back. Here's what I did differently from the first time. I made sure that my tracks were appropriately spaced and covered. The second track that I'm going to put in is another 5-clip one. You can really see how sturdy these clips are. Definitely very good quality. I made sure that they were comfortably but securely placed on my braids. I went back and added more clips so there were no open spaces when I turned my head and everything was covered. I'm probably gonna end up cutting this. Okay, so now that we have the larger clips installed, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 clip ones in between my leave out so that it can be full and just have the right volume all the way around. So you see how there's like that difference in length from here to here. I'm gonna use these to blend that so that it's not like a harsh line of demarcation. There was a lot of trial and error between the first install and the second one, but I really like how these turned out. Get this side versus this side. Yeah. So once I got the hang of where exactly I wanted to put the clips, I was able to blend these clip-ins with my hair, and it's a seamless blend. The curl pattern matched so well with my natural hair curl pattern. Nobody could even tell where my hair started and this hair ended. Mish Beauty actually has a really good defining mousse, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that to blend this out. And this is our finished result after the full install. This is my hair blended with the hair. Like, you can't even tell where my hair starts and this hair starts. Like, you can't, it's just a seamless blend. I did go ahead and cut some of the like longer pieces that were on this side just so that it would have like a more uniform look. But like, this is my hair. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. This hair is from Curlsqueen. This is what the clip-ins look like after they're freshly washed. These ones actually don't have any product on them, but you can see that the curls are still defined, like a natural luster to them. I would compare this to one of the curls on my actual head and you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Like, even looking at the blend right here, you can barely tell the difference between what this hair looks like versus what my natural hair looks like. Paying for these clip-ins was very fast. I got them in like 2 or 3 days and it came with a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna insert a video here of when I first opened the box and all of the things that it came with. They even sent me the cutest little bonnet that actually matches a bonnet that my daughter has, so now we're twins. These clip-ins took product very well, and when I washed them, they weren't tangled. This hair was such a breeze to wash. I got very minimal shedding and ran into very few tangles while washing. You could definitely tell that this is a high quality extension, and I really loved how easy it was to wash and style this hair. And I had a natural amount of shedding, no more than like maybe this much. Kind of the same as if it is like when I wash my own hair. I only get a little bit of shedding, so nothing outrageous. The clip-ins have this band right here with reminiscent of tape-ins, and then it has a really good quality clip on the other side. First time that I installed these, I was having issues like covering the band, but after I got the hang of it, and obviously this time you can't see any of the bands in here. It is extremely seamless, very easy to install, and I'm super happy with how this turned out. Overall, I'm definitely satisfied with these and I cannot wait to try more styles. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll answer them in the comments below. See you next time.